Okay, guys, I'm back with video number two. In this video, I'm gonna talk about relationship, not relationship, but in a relationship, एक man की value. How does a relationship define a man's value? Like the एक relationship की जो trajectory है, it will be defined by a man. Of course, it's also defined by a woman ki if she's toxic or not, then stuff like that. How much needy she is, how much insecure she is. तो ये भी है. But major portion which I have recognized in myself and in my relationship with others is that your value. What you think is good, what you think is working for you. So I just want to share this because I just talked with my girlfriend now or whatever. I don't know what to say. It's very hard feeling for me. But on my past relationship, I have done some mistake, which is that I have followed her. I have not let my emotion come up. Whatever I am feeling, I'm not expressing. So basically I'm not guiding the relationship. I'm not making her laugh. I'm not taking care of her emotion, something like that. And also I'm not leading. That's the best thing. कि whenever we are going, I'm not leading that. I was not leading that much पहले. I was not taking care of her emotions. I was not taking care of what she is through, like a man. So this is what I think. Man as a mature man is like a leader, like a leader. He has to take care of everyone. Like किसी को trauma ना हो जाए, किसी को खराब feel ना हो रहा, मतलब just like not a people pleaser, but like a leader, just takes care of everything. So in a relationship also, a man has to cultivate those skills to make a relationship work in the trajectory which he wants. So that was my insight, which I have gone through from my experience of whatever amount of relationship I had in my past. And this is what I wanted to share with you guys. And this is my first attempt actually, and I'm doing awesome just because I do game. I think that's the reason I'm doing very good in this video. And yeah, so if you like this topic, which is that in a relationship, the man's value defines the trajectory of the relationship. Like the man has to lead the emotion. So basically there are 2-3 things. Lead the emotion, how she is. जब वो सैड है तो बकचोदी नहीं डालनी, जब वो बोर है तो बकचोदी डालो थोड़ी. Not like every time, but sometimes. So the main general theme is that you are a leader. Like you lead emotions, you lead everything, like decision may. And this is gonna happen, like if you are in a relationship or if you are seeing someone, this is gonna happen. I have seen this a lot of time. She will definitely ask you what you want. Like for example, you're going to eat something, she's like, I'm not sure to eat this. At that time you have to take a decision, you have to take a call that let's do this. If she's like, no, not this, then you can point out your, like if you really want to go to the restaurant, point out your thing that I want to go there, so let's go there, we'll go tomorrow to somewhere else or something like that. But you have to take a stand. If you're going out also, you have to fucking take a stand from the society. If you want to approach someone, you have to take a stand. At the end of the day, in relationship, in life, and in job also, you have to take a stand just to be a part. Like let's say if you are in a team, you have to take a stand in front of team or someone, that I'm gonna do this, we're gonna do that. If you take a stand, everyone's gonna see you, and it might give you promotion, something like that. So I have seen this pattern help me a lot. And also watch out for some, so like if you have few friends, when you are trying to do that, the reality will be shattered. So I have like very close friend, whenever I try to lead or something like that, he always say like you are leading, this is not good. Like he always, because in our dynamic it was like he will lead or something like that. I was like falling into his frame. So I got very I got aware about it, and I took a very clear stand on me, and I got very backlash that Harsh, don't do this, this is very wrong, this is, you always do this or something like that. Very, I don't say toxic, but kind of toxic trait that I would define it at this point. Because if someone is growing, if someone is doing something, if I'm not congruent on, like let's say, like if I'm not doing a leading, like if I'm not taking a stand, I'm not congruent in it, then it will be very weird, awkward. But you have to accept it. someone doesn't accept, then I define that as a toxic or for me, right at the point. So, and I love that guy. I love that guy. We have a very good time and something like that. And he's great guy. Always helps me a lot. Always helped me in game a lot because he has very good this image of what he wants, taking a stand in his mind. So this is very important for anyone who's like going on a date or going on a relationship or going out for a game also. When you are in a set, when you are with someone, just take fucking stand. And also don't be too much egoistic. This will only work for someone who has not taken a stand. Then take a stand. Okay. If you are egoistic, like if you take a stand all the time, then you will weird everyone out. So take a stand of what you want out of relationship. Take a fucking stand when there is a confusion. Decide. And this is what I wanted to say on this video. Light is gone. Thank you. Have a nice day.